Let's set up your TravelingSession.com customizable map. To get started, click on Travel Map on your profile dashboard, or near the top of any other page. We'll start by selecting the countries around the world that you've visited. Click on the countries to highlight them. Move the map around and zoom in or out to find locations. You can also enter your countries through the navigation panel. To access the navigation panel, click the arrow on the left side of the map. From here you can select your countries. Now let's select your favorite cities. In the navigation panel, below Visited Countries, click the plus sign to open the Favorite Cities menu. Start typing the city's name to find your favorite. You can select your favorite cities for things to do, food, nightlife, costs, and safety. When you're finished, click Save Changes, and let's head back to your profile. Now your profile map will show all of your photos, videos, and travel reviews, as well as your countries visited and favorite cities. You can move the map around to zoom in on specific areas. You can also change the map's color using the panel below. You may find that you have a lot of content concentrated in one area. Enable clustering to give your map a different look. When you have your map the way you like it, click the Download Map button to save an image. The saved image will show the current position of the map. Now, when other travelers visit your profile, they'll see a visual representation of your travels. This helps build an audience of like-minded travelers who will resonate well with your travel recommendations. Your map will also allow your audience to filter your content to geographical areas. And that's how you set up your TravelingSession.com customizable travel map. See you next time.